Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up with the sunlight, bringing you lifestyle and fandom realness. Happy Halloween! As you see from the title, we will be doing another Tokidoki unboxing, and I'm so excited because we have the After Dark series. This is going to be series 4. But before we get to that, I want to go ahead and share a couple things with you. First is this awesome sweater that I got from Cakeworthy featuring the Universal monsters. It's super comfortable and it has the whole gang there. My favorite here is the Wolfman. So cool. But I just saw like a deep dive of the history of like the 20 plus movies of this franchise. Pretty much one of the first cinematic universes to grace the screen. And speaking of Cakeworthy, I ended up picking up this pin of Kermit the Frog as a vampire. The quality of the pins are kind of like not on the level of Disney, so it's like that soft enamel. But outside of that, it's super cute. There was an episode of The Muppets featuring Vincent Price. It's such a cute episode, so I do recommend taking the time, especially today of all days, to go check out that episode. It is available on Disney+. The next pin I want to share is the stained glass pin for Oogie Boogie. I didn't know if this was going to come in time, but he showed up, and this is a Pink a la Mode exclusive pin, limited edition, celebrating the 30th anniversary of Nightmare Before Christmas. It's super scary to think that 30 years have passed for that movie. We're getting up there, everyone. But here he is, and I just love the orange, and I love that this has featuring his mouth open like he's sucking in the bugs, and they have these cute little ghosts here and this beautiful bow and the detail of the gate. And then, of course, the signature pumpkin. So freaking cool. I love this. Here's the back. 25% of this is recycled. You can barely make it out, but it is an LEF 300. As you know, I do collect NBC, but specifically Oogie Boogie and Boogie's Boys. The other stained glass are available. I do recommend taking a good look at it. They're so beautiful, but of course, I can't have everything like I want. So if I have to pick, I'm just gonna have to stick with Oogie Boogie, and I'm totally fine with that. So this is the box that we're gonna get into today. As you can see, it's Unicorno After Dark number 4, series 4. And then these are the characters that you can get. So in no particular order, we have Lovecraft, Boo, Deadhook, Wolfie, Bloodshot, Chomper, Voodoo, and Vampircorno. And the chaser is Boo, and the difference is, of course, that the ghost sheet is purple, and the trick-or-treat bucket is a beautiful neon green as opposed to the orange. And here we have the display case all set up. I love this. This is, I think, is my 3rd display case. So if you order over 8, you're probably going to get one of these. I won't say guaranteed because I don't know how it is for every person, but aside from that, you do have a high chance, I would say, that if you order 8 or more, you will get the pack here. Here's the box art. It's always so beautiful, so cute. Again, featuring all the characters there that you can get. You can freeze frame it. This is obviously the little story behind Unicornos. Something happened. I thought I ordered more than 8. But I guess I was being good this time around and just stuck to the case size. With fear of jinxing myself, I hope I do get Wolfie. He's going to be my favorite one. I know how these look, full disclosure, because I was able to see them go live when they premiered this case this year, which is really cool. So if you're not on Instagram, or if you haven't followed them on Instagram, I highly recommend following them, and they will do live reveals of their upcoming series, which is really cool. Here's the first one. Okay, I'm excited. Okay. Yes! This is beautiful. We got Chomper. Chomper is excellent. Look at the teeth on this one. It is fashioned after a Venus flytrap. Whoa. That is giving Demogorgon vibes. It's so cool. Look at that. That's like the biggest headpiece I've ever seen. You can see underneath here. Oh, I just love the pink against the green. Green is my favorite color. The spikes are pink. Look at this. The tail has another little chomper on it. So cute. This is awesome. So cool. Look at the wings are leaves. That's so freaking cool. Obviously, this is being fashioned after Little Shop of Horrors. that is the inspiration, I'm assuming, because I don't think it would be Poison Ivy. It would be cool though if they did a Batman collaboration. That'd be so sick. Tokidoki, call me. Of course, I got ahead of myself. Each box will come with a booklet. Box number 2. Okay, number 2, it's lighter than the first one. These bags are actually bigger than I'm used to. What is this? Wow. This is Bloodshot, and I love how clear the body is so you can see the eyeball inside. Look at that, so cool. And there's an eyeball in the chest. And you can see it from the side there, like all the tendrils. Ooh, very cool and creepy. Look at that. As someone who spent time in the hospital, this is a little triggering. It has a little bandage there, and it has like a bottle of eye drops attached. So cute. But these little scissors, not cute. It's very scary. Box number 3. Okay. Who do we get? Who do we get? God, I'm weak. Okay. It is the chase. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is everything. Oh my gosh. This is Boo, and this is the chase. The sheet does not come off, but you can tell the body is this beautiful orange glitter. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And look at the pail. Oh, so freaking cool. I love that shocking neon green. It's so great. Look at the patch there, the stickers, the ghosts. And then there's another patch here featuring the bat. Y'all, this has been a very good spooky season. Oh my gosh. Pretty good time for chases this year, which I'm pretty impressed with because I don't have luck. You all know this. I love how it drapes here because the horn is getting in the way. That's so stinking cute. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Okay, I got the chase, so it could only be uphill from here. Famous last words. Okay, this is number 4. Who do we have? We have the other Boo. Hey Boo. This one's very cute too. It's just the original. I love how it's pink on the ghost patch. It's green on the chase. And the bat is orange back here. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. If I didn't get the chase, this would suffice because it's just gorge. I love it. So adorable. And then the body though, and the body doesn't have a glitter element. It's just like this really white. Does this glow in the dark? I don't remember. If it does, I'll try and see. Either way, the pair of them are so adorable. Trick or treat. Box number 5. I really want Wolfie. Okay. This is Unicorno, and it is a little coffin. You can see here it says RIP. So cool. I love the wood grating, so beautiful. And then the horn is a carved out stake. Oh my gosh. Look at that. But guess what? He's actually hiding inside. Look at this. This is like flock. This is like a velvet that they put inside this red liner. He's escaped. And this is the little baby sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh my gosh. I think this is Unicorno, this little baby right here. Because the other thing is it's coffin. So this tiny, look at the way its legs are laying down. It's so small. This is the smallest Unicorno figure I've ever seen. So cute. He's going back in his coffin. Seal him off. Okay. No more blood tonight. You're done. And there's a little bat motif there as well. So cute. Box number 6. Okay. Who do we have? Oh my gosh, yes, we have Wolfie! Oh my gosh, and his mane is flocked. Look at that. Oh, so gorgeous. When I saw this revealed on live, I'm like, I need to have him. So beautiful. I love the purple and the blue together. His little smirk. Oh, the tuft of fur here. This side's so beautiful. It has this beautiful painted moon with the shimmery clouds. He has his pants here that are torn. And even his tail is flocked. Can you see that? Oh, you can see the fuzziness there. Oh my gosh. Yes! This is the one I wanted the most. And here he is. Oh, I love you. So cute. They even got his nose right. How cute is that? Ah, perfection. Box number 7. Okay, who do we get? Ah, the queen. Wow, she is everything. This is Lovecraft. Oh my gosh, obviously fashioned after a love potion. Look at that on her back. Oh, so beautiful. Love the painting of her eyes, the arrow through the heart there, and just the stars and the other heart details. I love the fuchsia pink against the orange and the light pink. Her coloring is beautiful. I love this heart bat in the hat is so gorgeous. I love the star at the end. Oh, they did an amazing job with her. Look at this ghost. That is so perfect. It's mimicked on the other side here. Oh my gosh, so nice. Wow. They have several unicornos as a witch, or the style of a witch. This is so beautiful. Okay, we're at the end point here. This is the last one, and obviously we didn't get all of them today because we got the chase, which is amazing. So this could either be Dead Hook here, which is this ghostly pirate, so cool, or it could be Voodoo. Who is it? Who is it? They're both cool. Oh. I don't know why I didn't get 2 extra ones. Okay, who's it gonna be? And it is Dead Hook. Oh my gosh. Yes. He looks so freaking cool. Oh my gosh. I love the translucentness. I love his red eyes. So cool. Look at that necklace. Oh my gosh. And he has a patch. Oh my goodness. His hooves, he's wearing little booties, but look what he has. He has a hook. Oh my gosh. Look at that toothy grin of the gold. That's beautiful gold foiling there. It's so cool. I love his fish hook earring and his pirate hat. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I do like him a lot more than I thought I would. So, very cool. Y'all, that was an amazing unboxing. I did not get any duplicates. That is amazing. And I'm only missing one, which is Voodoo. So I will have to go hunt him down. And given my history with these unboxings, that's amazing. If I only need to go buy one more, of course off the secondary market. That's so great for me. I love this so much. Comment down below which one was your favorite. These are all gorgeous, and that's why it's called collectible art. They're not toys. They are done so well. There's so much creativity that goes into Tokidoki. But of course, my favorite is my beautiful Wolfie. So cute. And so happy that I ended up getting him this time around. Okay, it's that time y'all been waiting for. But before we get to that, just like to remind you, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. It's been a wonderful spooky season. I want to thank each and one of you who has helped grow my channel. It means a lot to me. Do you collect Tokidoki? Did you get this series? Please let me know. And without further ado, let's go pick that winner. Okay, amigos, here we are. Thank you again to everyone who's participated. As you can see, we have 32 entries here. Let's see here. We're going to shuffle it up. Give it a good shuffle. Okay. All right, now. All right, again, a big thank you to everyone who participated. It means the world to me that you guys, were here for me. And let's go ahead and see who is the lucky winner. Oh my gosh, it's Sarah from Sarah's Disney Magic. Congratulations. Oh my gosh, Hunty. This is so amazing. I'm so happy for you. Please go ahead and hit me up on Instagram so I can get your address. And that way we can go ahead and send out your giveaway win. I am so happy for you. Ah! I love Sarah. She's one of the best. So thank you for everyone who's participated. Show Sarah some love down in the comments. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for participating. And Sarah, again, thank you for your support. And good luck to all the next ones on the next giveaway, which will be at that 500 mark. Again, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below which was your favorite item that you did see today. Hope that you all are safe. And tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!